TikTok Live Studio microphone settings you need to know. So if you want to know the TikTok Live Studio microphone settings, then just follow the steps. So this is really easy. Once you go to your TikTok Live, before going live, you need to make sure that your TikTok settings is up to date. So the very first thing you have to do is to go to your settings of your laptop or your PC and make sure that you turn on your microphone. So you just need simply go with your settings. Here you need to search for microphone settings, microphone privacy settings, or microphone setup. Now here make sure that your microphone access is turned on. Once you turn on your microphone access, you need to just scroll down and you can search for your TikTok Live Studio application. Make sure that your speech language is English and microphone volume or the speaker volume is set up to the right level. Once everything is done here, make sure that your device is working properly. For example, you can go with your Bluetooth and devices and make sure that your microphone is up to date. And you can also just simply go with the control center right here. And from here also, you'll be able to check your microphone sound. So make sure that the volume of each and everything is right. And once you've downloaded your TikTok Live Studio, you will get the option to increase and as well as decrease at the same time. Now, another thing is to make sure is that whenever you're recording, your audio input capture should be on right. It should not go in red. For example, if I'm using OBS for this recording, and as you can see that here on the mic, it should not go to the red level. It should be between green or the yellow, which is the maximum. But if you cross the red line, it means that your voice is getting too high and it won't sound good. So these were the few steps that you need to take, or these are the few microphone settings that you need to know in TikTok Live Studio. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.